So I've got this big lump of yew, and I want to make a bowl. I want to get more than one piece, more than one bowl out of this, so I'm thinking how I'm going to use it. The only thing that I could come up with was this. So I like these three branches coming off, so I wanted to incorporate that. So taking that off, still too long, so taking that off, and rather than waste a lot of wood, I've taken that off. I mean, hopefully focus on that. The wood is really lovely inside. I'm hoping that I can keep some of that in there. So my plan, what it is to probably put a worm screw hole in there, make this the top, so I'll hollow this out, and I'm going to try and keep those three limbs, and hopefully I can kind of make feet out of them, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna turn a place for my chuck jaws to hold on to, and hopefully in the process of that I can do something with the outside, but maintaining some kind of feet using the branches. But let's get it on the lathe and see if it works. Okay, so there we have it. A yew log turned into a basically a three-legged bowl. It did work out in the end, and it sits down quite nicely. I'll show it. I'll show some pictures at the end. Show it sat down. But yeah, a really interesting shape. It's got that hole in there, and a little bit of the sort of natural what was under the bark. But the colours are amazing, and hopefully you can see the shine inside there, and it's as smooth as silk. A really nice piece, and the grain in the wood, as it usually is with yew, is pretty impressive. I really like this one. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it the thumbs up down there, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, and please leave a comment. I do like to read the comments, and I do reply to them all, and yes, I do enjoy it. So, from quite a sunny Cornwall today, this is Andy's Cornish Creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.